Health benefits of castor oil. Castor oil is a thick, odorless oil made from the seeds of the castor plant. Its use dates back to ancient Egypt, where it was used as fuel for lamps, as well as for medicinal and beauty purposes. Reportedly, Cleopatra used it to brighten the whites in her eyes. Today, most is produced in India. It has been used for centuries to relieve constipation, moisturize skin, and help induce labor. Nutrition facts about castor oil. Castor oil has a very unpleasant taste. I can tell you from my own experience. As a child, my mom used to have me take small amounts by mouth for medicinal reasons, which I never could figure out. I will tell you, stating it has an unpleasant taste is putting it mildly. Until today, when I hear the word castor oil, I cringe. Later I learned, the active ingredient in castor oil is the fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. Benefits of castor oil. It is used as a natural laxative to relieve temporary constipation. The ricinoleic acid attaches to a receptor in your intestines. This causes the muscles to contract and cause you to go to the bathroom. It was used for cleansing your colon before a procedure like colonoscopy came along. Castor oil to induce labor. It has been used for centuries to help during labor and delivery. In 1999, a survey found that 93% of midwives in the US used it to Some studies indicate that it helps, while others have not found it to be ineffective. If you are pregnant, don't try castor oil without talking to your doctor. Anti-inflammatory effects. Research in animals show that ricinoleic acid may help fight swelling and pain caused by inflammation when applied to your skin. One study in humans found it was effective at treating symptoms of knee arthritis. As a non-steroidal, anti-inflammatory drug, helps healing wounds. Castor oil has antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that may help speed wound healing. Phenolix, which contains castor oil and balsam prue, is an ointment used to treat skin and pressure wounds. The oil may help to prevent infection by keeping the wounds moist, while the ricinoleic acid reduces inflammation. Do not use on cuts or burns at home. Consult your doctor before using at home. Skin benefits of castor oil. Castor oil has moisturizing effects because it's rich in fatty acids. It is used in many beauty products today, or it can be used in its natural form as well. Side effects. While castor beans contain a poison called ricin, this toxin is removed during processing of castor oil, but there may be some health risks. Allergic reaction. Test a small area before you use it. If you are allergic to the castor plant, you could have itching, swelling, or rashes. Gastrointestinal discomfort. Castor oil can help relieve constipation, but it can cause nausea, abdominal cramps, vomiting, bloating, and dizziness if you take too much. Be sure to talk to your doctor before using it. If you are pregnant, avoid using it. It may induce labor. Medication interaction. When using castor oil for constipation, take it a few hours before or after you take any other medications. Laxatives can change how other drugs work. Don't combine it with any other laxatives or diuretics. Castor oil used for wrinkles. To use castor oil for wrinkles, you will need to purchase a pure castor oil product that is organic. Castor oil in stick form chapsticks or balm are great for use around the lips and mouth. Some oils come pre-diluted with other carrier oils for enhanced absorption. You can also dilute castor oil on your own at a one-on-one ration. Olive oil, grapeseed oil, and avocado oils are good dilution recommendations. For under eye use. Step 1. Cleanse facial skin and dry off. Step 2. With your finger apply a drop of oil under your eyes and on wrinkle-prone areas. Step 3. Leave on skin for about 20 minutes, the time it sieves to absorb into the skin. Step 4. Wash the area where you've applied the oil, and moisturize the area. Castor oil for the forehead, chin, and neckline area. Apply a small amount to the skin on your forehead, chin, or neckline. Leave on for about 20 minutes. Wash and dry the area, and apply. Keep in mind that studies haven't proven this yet. Claims that castor oil prevents wrinkles are only anecdotal, and most studies are needed before calling it a wrinkle remover. Furthermore, there is no scientific studies that prove castor oil helps eyelash hair grow. I hope this information was helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.